Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue if the Twitch application is not loading or running properly. So let's get started right away. Now, if the Twitch application is not running properly or not loading up at all, then the first thing that you should do is to check for updates. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Twitch and start your search. Once you find the Twitch application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this button to install the latest updates. Just tap on this button and wait for a while until you see the open button once again, and then tap on open and see if this issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then one more thing that you can do is to clear the application cache. Long press on the Twitch application and tap on the info button. From the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button to clear all of the user data from the app. After this step, you will need to log back into your account once again, but now the Twitch application will be running properly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the issue within the Twitch application if it is not loading up. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.